Today we have the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This vehicle has done just over 75,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On our screen we can access navigation, radio, media, smartphone integration and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, it has a full leather black interior and we can get a good view of our panoramic roof.